Hi everyone. So in this video session, I'm going to take up one problem that was asked in GATE 2024 in Electronics and Communication paper, and that was a problem based on father and son age, right? So let us have a look. How do we solve this kind of problem? And most of the student, they always consider some variable and then they solve many equations, right? And then they get the answer, but I'm gonna show you the moment you read the question, along reading the question itself, you will be able to get the answer, right? So let us have a look to this problem. So the problem was 5 years ago, the ratio of Aman's age to his father age was 1:4. And 5 years from now, okay, the ratio will be 2:5. Okay. What was his father says when Aman was born, right? So here I'm explaining you, so I'm not writing anything, but the moment you read the question, you should start reacting. Okay, so you see what are my reactions, right? So you see here 5 years ago, right? So you can say that you are in present age, right? This is going to be your present age, right? You are in the present, right? 5 years ago, right? You can go back 5 years ago. Okay, the age of the Aman and the father ratio is given as 1:4. So you can take as 10 and 40. Okay, so Aman age is 10 and the father age is 40. You can say 5 years ago, right? This is 5 year kind of ago, right? And what will be the present age then? So you can add 5 years, so it will be 15 and 45. The father and the son age is going to be this 15 and 45, right? The present ratio is going to be 1:3, right? Now what they have given here is 5 years from now, right? Means you have to go 5 years later down the line, your ratio becomes 2:5. So let's see here. So 5 year, you can say after 5 years later from the present, right? It is going to be 20 and 50. And you can notice here is that the ratio is whatever ratio is given in the question, right? The same ratio we are getting, right? 2:5. Now, what was the question? This question was like whatever question was asked. Here you need to understand. Okay. So, what was his father's age when Aman was born? Right? Means you can consider Aman when Aman was born, his age was 0, right? Okay, so what is present age of the father? That is 45. Okay, and the son age is 15, right? Okay, your son age is 15. Now what you can do here is simply by subtracting these two numbers, like 45 minus 15, that is going to be the answer for the question, like 30 year. Okay, so when son was born, okay, your father age was 30, but once the son became 15, your father became 45. So do we need to consider any sort of variable here like x or y to get the answer? So it is simply based on the ratio. Okay, if you have watched my lecture completely on general aptitude, you will be able to solve this kind of problem while going through the question and start reacting like this. Okay, so I hope you might have got the answer. So answer is gonna be 30 when the son is gonna be born, right? Remember that the age is, you can consider age as a 0 age, right? Okay, don't consider month in month. Okay, because everything is given in years. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. So present 5 years ago and 5 years later. Okay, so 1:4 you can convert them as 10:40, right? I mean 10 and 40. No harm is there. Needless to consider x and y, otherwise this question will become horrible. Okay, the solution is going to become horrible. Okay, so I hope you might have enjoyed this solution. Thank you.